How to input LLC business in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you own an LLC, how you report it in TurboTax depends on how your LLC is taxed. For single member LLC, you have to file on Schedule C. For multi-member LLC, file Form 1065, which is partnership. Now, for single member LLC, open TurboTax Self-Employed, sign into your account. Now go to Wages and Income, then select Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Enter your LLC income from 1099 NEC or 1099K. Enter business expenses. Then TurboTax will complete Schedule C and calculate self-employment taxes. If it is a multi-member LLC, then you have to open TurboTax Business, then select Partnership as your business type. There you will have to enter your LLC information. TurboTax will generate K1s for each LLC member, file Form 1065 and distribute Schedule K1s to each owner. Then you want to review all income and expenses. Now file your return electronically or print and mail it, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.